Nalitaw ang uno, nakakita ng tira itong si Cap Edgy Geronimo.
Slightly grazing that red 3.
Watch out for the 5.
Ang kailangang isipin dito ni Cap Edgy.
Nicely done.
Nicely done.
Everything looks good naman, Mark. So therefore, safe to say.
Sabi tuloy ni Doc Nicky, it's safe to say you guys are both looking good. Kahit batiin daw natin siya, hill pa rin yan. Okay
Ayun.
lang naman kasi
Okay
at
lang.
least mag-enjoy yung mga fans.
Okay, absuelto naman. Good job.
Pero maganda naman yung nangyari dahil easily pocketable for Cap Edgy. Working wonders for Coach Rafael. Ito na ang 9 to get the rack. And just like that, goodbye Anton Raga and Dokloy.